We will solve one example from problem set 1. Question number 7. Fourth example. Sum of present ages of Manish and Savita is 31. Manish's age 3 years ago was 4 times the age of Savita. Find their present ages. Okay, students? Now this problem is related to Manish's age and Savita's age. So our first step is we have to assume variable for their present ages. So let's start the solution. Let present age of Manish be X years and present age of Savita be Y years. According to the first condition, so first condition is given, sum of present age of Manish and Savita is 31. And we assume their present age is X years and Y years. So our first equation is X plus Y equal to 31. This is our equation number 1. Okay, students. Now in second condition, the second condition is related to their ages 3 years ago. So first we will find out their ages 3 years ago. 3 years ago, Manish age is equal to, now Manish's present age is X years. To find out his age 3 years ago, we have to go 3 years back. So we have to subtract 3 years from his present age. So 3 years ago Manish's age is X minus 3 years. 3 years ago Savita's age Savita's present age is Y years. So 3 years ago Y minus 3 years. Now according to the second condition, so second condition is Manish's age 3 years ago was. Manish's age 3 years ago is X minus 3 is equal to 4 times the age of Savita. Now Savita's age 3 years ago is Y minus 3. It's 4 times. 4 into bracket Y minus 3. So let's really simplify this. X minus 3 is equal to, now this bracket we will multiply by 4. 4y minus 12. 4 3s are 12. Let's take 4y on left hand side and minus 3 on right hand side. Therefore, x minus 4y equal to minus 12. This minus 3 will become plus 3. Therefore, x minus 4y equal to minus 9. Minus 12 plus 3 minus 9. This is our equation number 2. Now students, you can see the first equation is x plus y equal to 31 and second equation is x minus 4y equal to minus 9. Now in both the equation, x variable coefficient is equal and it has plus sign. So we will subtract. Subtracting second equation from first equation. subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. So we will write first equation, x plus y equal to 31, minus second equation is x minus 4y equal to minus 9. Due to this negative sign, this plus x will become minus x, minus 4y will become plus, this minus will become plus. X minus x eliminated, y plus 4y equal to 5y, and 31 plus 9 is equal to 40. Therefore, y is equal to 40 upon 5. Therefore, y is equal to 8. So, we will substitute now y equal to 8 in equation number 1. Substituting y equal to 8 in equation 1. First equation is x plus y equal to 31 and y is equal to 8. So here we will get x plus 8 is equal to 31. Therefore, x is equal to 31 minus 8, x is equal to 23. So we got x equal to 23 and y equal to 8. Now in word problem we have to write the answer in statement. The question is find their present age. So we will write answer. Therefore, present age of Manish is 23 years and present age of Savita is 8 years. Okay students, understood? Now this way we can solve word problems using linear equations in two variables. Okay.